I'm going to turn it over to you if you have anything you want to kind of put out in the space.
Yeah, I would say, the world has changed. I mean, a lot of you can remember uh, going way back, before mobile phones. I didn't even want a mobile phone because I thought, well, if I want to, I don't want all these people calling me. If I want to talk to somebody, I'll call them. So then reluctantly I got a mobile phone, and then I don't want to get a website. I don't want to be on, at first, I don't want to be on the internet. I thought that, so here we are today. Things are changing so rapidly. If you got 100 business owners in a room, to get them to agree to one thing, that to to get meetings, it's never been more challenging. Next year they're predicting it's going to become harder. Why? It's very, very extremely crowded. And so this is a formula I developed, probably almost 20 years ago. It's so simple, and this is $1 million formula. Now it takes discipline, it takes focus, and it takes some hustle. But 2-10-40, write this down, keep this with you. Uh, Two people a day you want to talk to, quality meetings, 10 a week, 40 a month. If you're talking to 40 quality meetings a month, you're rocking and rolling, you're making business. 80% of our day is completely non-revenue producing. Completely non We're busy, but we're not productive. So if you and it takes discipline to do this, and you probably won't be able to hit this right away, but if you make this your highest priority every day before you do all those other, all that busy work, this will take you to the promised land. And that's our big focus, is we want to take that 80% of non-productive time and flip it around so 80% of your day becomes productive. And that's how you reach all your goals, all your aspirations, and really grow your business, because you're either growing as a business or it goes backwards. Nothing is staying stagnant. And so that's why, LinkedIn is an amazing place.